Greetings, sir. I would like to introduce my project, that is alarm clock. Here it is showing the current time as you can see here, and this option is to set the alarm. This is set button. This button is to stop the alarm, and here list will become of alarms. For example, it's 21, 45 and 21. Let's set the alarm, and it going to be ring soon. Just hold some seconds. As you can see, here pop-up come, and when I click on OK, alarm will start ringing. You can hear that. When I click the stop button, the ring will be stopped, and this button is to delete the list, delete this list of alarm. Right. And now let's walk through code. This is the HTML file. Here it's showing the heading. This section is showing the current time, and this section is to add the alarm, and this section will show the list of alarms, and this section this is a CSS file of page, as you can see. Now let's see the JavaScript file. This is to set the current time, and this section is to set the alarm, and this section will show the alarm, and this will start the sound. This section is to stop the alarm, and this section is to remove the alarm, and there is one more folder, and that is assets, that contain the audio sound, and it is the readme file where I mentioned I used HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and these features I have introduced in this alarm clock. First is clock face, set alarm, and alarm list, and list to delete the alarm. Thank you. That's all about my project.